Hello grade 6. Today we are going to practice the grammar of lesson 20. Please prepare your books and open page 259. So, our lesson today is talking about propositions and propositional phrase. What is the proposition? Proposition are words that we use like of, with, in, on, at, from, about, around, below, and so on. Okay? What is the propositional phrase? If you have a proposition and after it immediately a noun or a pronoun, it's going to be a propositional phrase. So let's read here together. A proposition links nouns and pronouns to other words in the sentence. The noun or pronoun that comes after a proposition is its object. So we call it the object of the proposition, but we are going to underline the proposition and the noun or the proper noun come after it. It will be a propositional phrase. So what is the propositional phrase? A proposition plus noun or pronoun. Some propositions are on, about, beneath, beside, during, and across. A propositional phrase is made up of a proposition and its object. It means the noun or the pronoun, and any words modifying the object. For example, we discovered many artifacts during the dig. Where's the preposition here? It's during. So the dig here, it's its object. So where is the prepositional phrase? It will be during the dig. The prepositional phrase starts from the preposition itself. One more example. The ancient coins are in the museum. So in the preposition, the museum, its nouns comes after it, so it's its object. So in the museum, it's the prepositional phrase. Here we go. He wants from you to underline the propositional phrase and circle the preposition. Okay? So number 1. The city of Pompeii was buried. Here, where's the prepositional phrase? Of Pompeii. And of course the preposition is of. The archaeologists dug a hole with special tools. With the prepositional phrase? With special tools. The preposition with. People gathered around the archaeologists. So around the archaeologists is the prepositional phrase. With the preposition around. They found pieces of animal bone. So of animal bone, it's the prepositional phrase with the preposition of. Objects from daily life were unearthed. So where's the preposition? From daily life, it's the prepositional phrase, and from only is the preposition. They found lava, bedrock, below the city. So where's the preposition? Below. Where's the prepositional phrase? Below the city. Number 7. Bombay is not far from Vesuvius. Where's the prepositional phrase? From Vesuvius. Okay, so where's the preposition itself? From. Number 8. Many earthquakes occurred in the area. Where's the preposition? In. Where's the prepositional phrase? In the area. Okay. Turn the page, please, page 260. sometimes the prepositional phrase used as an adjective to modify a noun or a pronoun. Okay? So, an adjective phrase tells which one or what kind. So, if this prepositional phrase is an adjective phrase, it's telling us which one or what kind. But if the prepositional phrase used as an adverb to modify a verb, adjective, or adverb itself, an adverb phrase tells us how, when, where, how much, or why. So the adjective phrase, it tells us which one or what kind. The adverb phrase tells us how, when, where, how much, or why. So let's here see and check. On Monday of next week, we go to the museum. So here, where's the prepositional phrase of next week? Okay, so here, is it telling us which one? Yes, of next week. Okay, so this is an adjective. We will learn a lot about Pompeii and Vesuvius. So here it's telling us something about where, places. So it will be adverb phrase. Let's see here. We arrived at the museum early. Where's the prepositional phrase? Underline with me, at the museum early. Okay, so here it's telling us when, so it will be adverb phrase. Number 2, the boy with the red hair asked a question. So where's the prepositional phrase with the red hair? Okay, here it's telling us which one or what kind of boy with red hair. Okay, so this will be an adjective phrase. Number 3, Bombay thrived for many years. For many years. So here it's telling us something about the time. So when. So it will be adverb phrase. So here, ships from many countries used Bombay's port. Where's the prepositional phrase here? From many countries. So which one? So this is an adjective phrase. Bombay was a place for vacation. Okay, what kind of place is it? It's a place for vacation, so it will be an adjective phrase. In 10 minutes we will leave the museum. In 10 minutes, it's the prepositional phrase, so it's telling us when, so it will be an adverb. So here we go, we have the prepositional phrases punctuation. Let's read the box together. If a prepositional phrase begins a sentence and is made up of 4 or more words, it should be followed by a comma. If a prepositional phrase is part of the main clause, no comma is needed. You will not need to put any or to add any comma. For example, before the August eruption, people thought Vesuvius was extinct. So here, before the August eruption, it's something separate from what we are going to say. So here we add comma. Prepositional phrases without comma. because they will be part of the sentence. For example, ancient people didn't recognize the earthquakes as serious volcano warnings. So this is a part of it, so we will not add any comma. One more time. In modern times, we know the warning signs better. Okay, so here in modern times we know this is a part of the sentence. It's not separated, so it will be added without any comma. So here, let's see that we are going to add the comma or no comma at all. Okay, if we will not use any comma, write in the space no comma. Okay, let's read the first one. Many towns were located at Mount Vesuvius base. Here, at Mountain Vesuvius base, it's a part of it, right? So we will write here no comma. We will not add any comma. Number 2, super hot ash and gases rushed toward them. Here it's toward them, it's a part of it, so we will not put in comma, so put here no comma. Throughout the busy town, people were startled. So through the busy town, here we have 4 words and they are at the beginning and they can be separated from the other words, so after town you will put comma here, add comma here. Number 4, people ran for their lives when they saw the danger. For their lives here. Can we add any comma? No, it's part of it. So you put here no comma for number 4. Number 5, inside their villas and houses, people hid under furniture. So here, inside their villas and houses. This is a prepositional phrase. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than 4 words. So you will add comma here because they can be separated. Number 6, bodies were found under thick layers of ash and rocks. Here we go. Under thick layers of ash and rocks. This is the prepositional phrase. Can we add any comma here? No, because it's a part of the sentence. So number 6, you will write no comma. Number 7, across the formerly fertile valley, farmers were buried. Yeah, this across the formerly fertile valley can be separated from farmers were buried, and this is a prepositional phrase. So after valley you will add a comma here. After centuries, people forgot the towns had ever been there. So after centuries, this is the prepositional phrase, and it can be separated from the sentence, so you will add comma here. I hope that you understood everything, and thank you so much.